Welcome to another episode of Mika's Garage. Today we are installing a Flat4 steering wheel. We value your opinion, so leave your feedback below and support us by subscribing. First, let's remove the center cap using a small flat screwdriver. The next step is to disconnect the horn button wire. The final step is to remove the center bolt that holds the steering wheel with a 27mm socket. Once the bolt is out, we can just pull the steering wheel toward us. With the steering wheel out, we can now start installing the Flat4 steering wheel. The first step is to install the steering boss, which adapts the standard Beetle column to the Flat4 format. The steering boss should be placed with the out end facing downwards. With the boss in place, you can now use the supplied smaller nut to hold it in place. We can now install the steering wheel. First, align it with the boss, and then use the supplied 3 bolts to hold it in place. Once you're happy with the alignment, you can use the Allen tool to tighten the bolts. The final step would be to install the horn button, but we will show you how to do this on a separate video. For now, just use the standard center cap to cover the hole. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave your feedback below, as it's very important for us, and do support us by subscribing to this channel. See you next time!